You can take this and turn it into this. By going to the dollar store, pick out a boring planter. You'll need wooden balls, natural ribbon and a glue gun. Start by placing a bead of glue onto the planter and securing the ribbon. Wrap the ribbon round and round the planter. At the top you'll need to add more glue to secure it. Go around at least twice to cover any gaps and cut the excess. Add 3 or 4 wooden balls for little feet. Hold down firmly and make sure the flat side is facing up. Yikes, didn't think I'd have to see that before again. Okay, I see you, cutie. Wow, we really just did that.